Talk about your local health and those summer thunderstorms, we hope, that roll in as the weather is hot can leave some of us really breathless and not with excitement. Those storms can trigger an asthma attack. Asthma specialists can, of course, track symptoms and look for triggers. For example, while rain can wash away some asthma irritants, thunderstorm asthma can occur as summer storms develop and concentrate allergens and mold in the air.
Humidity and electricity rupture the pollens and the molds, making them smaller in size and more easily inhaled into the lungs and the sinuses.
Mold, grass, pollen, smoke from cookouts, fireworks, and yes, wildfires all increase during the summer months. Knowing how your asthma reacts through the seasons and having a plan to adjust to these triggers, whatever they may be, well, they can help prevent severe asthma episodes. Remember that smoke and pollen can travel for miles on the wind. Look what's happening to us from these Canadian wildfires, right? So watch your daily pollen counts, and we'll keep you up to date on those with weather on the threes. And if your symptoms persist, your doctor can adjust your treatment plan.